Hey y'all. Y'all have just come in time to watch me make an appetizer dish that I just love. And that's stuffed mushrooms. You know, my mind is ticking about what appetizers I'm gonna do, you know, because the holidays are right here on us. And I have taken a 10-ounce package of frozen spinach, and I have squeezed all the water out of it, y'all. Because when you freeze it, it just holds a whole lot of water.
And some of it all over you.
I know when I squeezed it, it shot up in my face. I could have it in my teeth or all over my face. I've got some mushrooms, and I'm just using the button mushrooms. And you want to take just a damp paper towel and just wipe your mushrooms. You don't want to put them in water because these already contain a whole lot of water. So we don't want to wet them. All right, we have got green onions. We've got feta cheese. We've got house seasoning. We got our mushrooms. We got Parmesan cheese, and we got cream cheese. So I'm just gonna mince these up a little bit more. Let me choose one of my favorite knives. Hopefully this one's sharp enough. Yep, I'm just gonna mince these up a little bit because those holes are little in those mushrooms. You know, it doesn't hold a lot, so. I thought Michael said he was gonna come in here in the kitchen and help me do this, but apparently he was telling a story. You don't know where he went, Eddie?
No. Just...
Listen, his name ought to be Eel, because that's how slippery he is. He can be here 1 minute and then gone the next. Does your husband do that? That aggravates me so bad, because I would never get in my car and just leave. You know, and not tell him, Mikey, I'm going to the store. But men just don't think like us, I don't think. All right. That's all the fussing I'm gonna do tonight. All the griping I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna put my cream cheese in there, and you wanna make sure it's softened. And I'm gonna scrape my minced green onions in here. I'm gonna put a little house seasoning. I'm gonna put some, well, I'm gonna get this mixed up before I put the feta. I'm gonna put the Parmesan cheese in. And like I said, you wanna make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. So we're just gonna get that mixed up.
I love that it's not all stuffed with like breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
You got some good stuff in there.
Yeah, no breadcrumbs, Eddie. All right, now I'm gonna add our spinach. And I'm just gonna give it one last squeeze. See, that's amazing. Now I've squozed the stuffing out of that, but I can still get some water. Yeah, we just don't want it watery. Okay. So there we go. This is, you know what, this is a pretty good appetizer, Eddie, because it's not really fattening.
Yeah.
If you'll notice, I don't even have any mayonnaise in this.
Yeah, just cream cheese.
Yeah, a little cream cheese and... All right, now I'm gonna go in with my hands.
Don't you love when you go to dinner and someone has a good appetizer?
Why?
I
You don't like that?
No, I love it.
Oh, I was gonna say, I thought you said, don't you just hate it when
No,
you
I said, don't you just love it?
Oh, yes, I do love it. I was trying to figure out why I would hate it. Okay. Now you can put any kind of cheese in here you want, but we are gonna put, let me see, I didn't use all the seasoning. Let me see if, I think that's a plenty. That tastes real good. It's really good, Eddie. And the bonus here, y'all, is this recipe is in my air fryer cookbook. So anytime I can cook something in the air fryer, I'm all over it. I made some biscuits earlier today, and I cooked these in the air fryer. Look at those beautiful biscuits. Well, now they're as hard as my head right now and sitting out, but they cook so beautifully in the air fryer. All right, so this is a little pan if you want to order pans to go in your air fryer. This is some of your little pans. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna do it with my hands. Just stuff that in there. I might want to spray that though first, just to make sure. This is a non-stick, but I just want to make sure. Okay, I'm just gonna nestle those in there. And I'm gonna push it down there good. Because I don't want a skimpy mushroom, do you, Eddie? I want to get all I'm supposed to have. Yeah, that was really tasty. That bite that I just took. And that cream cheese makes it so good. Ooh, this is a big one. That's a big shroom.
Definitely a 2-biter.
Yes, definitely a 2-biter. Now you can do all this ahead of time, which this is a great appetizer if you're having company, because you can do all this, put them in the refrigerator, and just pop it in your oven or in your air fryer. It's been like 6 or 7 minutes in the air fryer. It's amazing how much faster this air fryer cooks versus a regular oven. Oh, look at all the juice coming out of there. Ooh wee. I'm gonna need some help here. Corrie, are you too full that you can eat a
really
mushroom?
am.
Huh?
I
You
am.
can't eat a mushroom?
I need so much food.
Don't they look delicious? Are the allergies getting you?
I think they're starting just a teeny bit.
Look at those, y'all. And you could actually go ahead and put all these in the oven and bake them off and then just reheat them in the air fryer. So this is gonna be one of those easy apps. Would you like one, Corrie?
Sure. I can grab one from that.
There you go.
Maybe a little too hot.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Oops.
There you go. Bon appetit, T. Oh, ow.
This is probably gonna like burst all in my mouth and be really hot.
Did you see all the juice in the pan? Oh, look at that. That pan's already cool. But look at all the juice that cooked out of them. Can you see that, Eddie?
Mm-hmm.
Is it too hot? Oh,
They're delicious though.
Isn't that yummy?
Mm-hmm. Like a spinach dip and a mushroom.
Mm-hmm. And
Yep.
I love the feta cheese in it, and I love the Parmesan.
Mm-hmm. So good.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh.
Yeah, you gotta eat the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Believe it or not, I have a very small mouth. I used to tell Jamie Bobby's daddy that, and he would call BS on me.
Because when we eat steak, you're like, I can't eat a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I'll choke.
Mm-hmm. I have to take T90 Princess bites on steak. Now, that's it. 6 minutes over and out.
Okay.
Loving best dishes, y'all. Need to start planning your holiday menus. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.